Godot versus Stride. Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you develop games without unnecessary complexity. Godot offers open source flexibility, while Stride provides advanced rendering and CL support for high-end projects. Godot and Stride are two powerful game engines, each with distinct approaches. Godot is open source and lightweight, ideal for 2D and 3D projects. Stride focuses on high-fidelity 3D graphics with a robust C20 framework, targeting more demanding game development. Godot is a free, open-source game engine designed for both 2D and 3D game development. It features an intuitive scene system and a visual editor that simplifies game design. Godot supports multiple scripting languages including GDScript, CTOEFL, and VisualScript, making it accessible to beginners and experienced developers alike. Its lightweight architecture allows for fast iteration and deployment across various platforms. Strengths include its active community, extensive documentation, and flexibility for a wide range of game types. However, Godot's 3D capabilities, while improving, are not as advanced as some proprietary engines, which can limit ultra-realistic rendering or complex physics simulations. Ideal users are indie developers, hobbyists, and small teams who value customization and open source freedom without steep costs or licensing restrictions. According to official Godot documentation and community resources, it excels in rapid prototyping and cross-platform compatibility, making it a versatile choice for many projects. Stride is an open-source Seikini game engine focused on delivering high-end 3D graphics and performance. It provides a modern rendering pipeline, complete with physically based rendering, global illumination, and advanced shader support. Stride uses CWs as its primary scripting language, integrating seamlessly with Visual Studio, which appeals to developers familiar with Microsoft's ecosystem. Its modular design allows for customization and scalability, suitable for complex and visually demanding games. Strengths include powerful rendering features, a flexible entity component system, and strong support for VR and AR development. However, Stride has a steeper learning curve compared to lighter engines and may require more powerful hardware to fully utilize its capabilities. It is best suited for professional developers and studios aiming to create visually rich 3D games or applications with robust SURS integration. As per Stride's official site and technical documentation, it offers a comprehensive toolset for sophisticated game development with an emphasis on graphics quality and extensibility. Comparing Godot and Stride highlights clear trade-offs. Godot's lightweight and flexible design makes it ideal for 2D games, rapid prototyping, and projects with limited budgets or smaller teams. It runs well on modest hardware and supports multiple scripting languages, making it accessible. Stride, on the other hand, excels in high-fidelity 3D rendering and complex projects requiring advanced graphics and VR support. Its CTOEFL foundation integrates well with professional development workflows, but demands more resources and experience. For example, an indie developer creating a 2D platformer benefits from Godot's simplicity and speed, while a studio developing a visually intensive 3D VR game would leverage Stride's advanced rendering and modularity. Choosing between them depends on project scope, team expertise, and performance needs. Godot is recommended for indie developers and small teams seeking a versatile open-source engine with ease of use and strong 2D and growing 3D capabilities. Stride is best for experienced developers aiming for high-end 3D visuals and professional CC workflows, especially in VR and AR. Selecting the right engine depends on your project goals, but both offer powerful tools tailored to different development needs.